What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install a little bit of insurance. What that is a transfer case brace from Merchant Auto, which is right here local to Michigan. They're out in Holland, pretty good store. If you got a Duramax, great place to go check them out. So I'll leave a link in the description for this part and the tools that I use in there for you guys. Either way, so what this does is this stabilizes your transmission and your transfer case. So if you do a lot of off-roading where your truck's kind of sitting there jumping around doing all this kind of stuff, if you're doing a lot of sled pulling, if you're towing a lot of heavy equipment, if you're going down really crappy roads, Michigan for a good example, if you're doing a lot of racing or huge burnout, stuff like that, your transmission and your transfer case are going to sit there and just kind of jump up and down and flutter a little bit. So what this does is this braces those two. And then the biggest thing are your U-joints. If you have bad U-joints that you don't actually know that they're bad yet, or if you're just like hum, you don't have the time to fix them, what that's going to do is your drive shaft's going to be sitting here bouncing up and down like this. And that can crack your tail housing on your transmission. Not a cheap fix, especially for an Allison. So what this brace does is it kind of stabilizes everything, gives you a little more time to fix everything, stabilizes stuff so you can go do the hardcore, you know, racing or sled pulling, whatever, off-roading, whatever you got to do. So without further ado, we're going to put this in. It's really simple. All you need is a 15mm deep socket for your transmission bolts, and depending on the type of transfer case that you have, you'll either need a 10mm socket for the transfer case bolts, or you'll need a T40 hex bolt for your transfer case, and then a couple of extensions and a torque wrench. So let's climb underneath the truck. Let's get this installed. Alright, so now that we're underneath the truck, I just put it in here just to show you guys. This is what the end result's going to basically look like. It's going to sit on top of your transfer case right here, and then you can see all the way down there, that's our transmission. And what that's going to do is just going to stabilize everything. There's no real brace for this. There's a cross member here, but it doesn't get mounted to it. The next brace actually is down here, which is the transmission brace. So it's got to hold all of this extra weight, including your drive shaft when it goes down. So let's get those bolts out and we'll get this thing in. All right, first we're going to take the transfer case bolts off. Mine happens to have the Torx screws, so it's going to be a T40. I'm going to take this one and this one out. It'll be the very top two most. All right, next it's going to be this transmission bolt and this transmission bolt. The top two right up here, get my hand out of the way so this thing can focus. The top two right there you're going to leave alone, but you're going to take those two off on this side, and then you're going to take the two off on the other side. I'll show you. Okay, the one on that side will be this one right here, and this one that's covered up by this wire harness right here. Let's see if we can move that wire harness out of the way, just so you can see it. That one right there. And then, like I said, we're going to skip those top two. We'll go down left over 15mm. Alright, now we're just going to put our bolts back in reverse. The ones on the transmission, 15mm, those get down to 36 foot-pounds of torque. And these ones right up here, right on the transfer case, they go to 29 pounds of torque. So let's get all that in. Alright, I got them all just hand tight started, and now we're going to actually wrench them down. Alright, now it is all in. Looks pretty good, nice and solid. This is some pretty high quality stuff, plus they powder coated, they're orange, so I'm okay with that. Looks real nice. Now we have a little bit better insurance for the transmission's tail, so hopefully it won't have any crackings, and we'll get going. I had to jump in the truck to close out this video as it's currently raining right now, and I don't want to get completely drenched, but that's okay. You can call me Princess if you'd like. Either way, I'll leave a link in the description to everything that I use. Like I said, all we needed was just a 15mm socket for your trans bolts, and then your transfer case bolts. It's either going to be a 10mm bolt or a socket, or a T40 Torx bit, depending on the type of transfer case that you have, and then just a torque wrench if you got it. Don't forget to torque those bolts down. The ones on the trend goes to 36 foot-pounds of torque, and the ones on your transfer case, they go down to 29 foot-pounds of torque. And if you like this content, don't forget to hit that like on your way out. I do appreciate you guys watching. We are closing in on 1,000 subscribers, which is really, really awesome. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. That way you won't miss any content that we got keep going on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Xtrodinary Duramax, just like the YouTube channel. I do post a little bit of stuff on there, not super active, but I am very quick to respond with private messages and stuff like that if you just want to chat. Either way, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Deuces.